All right, you guys, we are moving on to this packet right here. It's called Exploring Fractions and Decimals. So as you guys know, we've already done fractions and decimals, but we're going to be doing some reviewing. All right, so let's start off on this page, the one called Fun Fractions. So it says, what fractions of the shape have been colored? Write the fraction under the shape. So I'm only going to do a few with you guys on this page because I know you guys will get the hang of it. So first I need to look out to find my bottom number, which is called the denominator. We need to count and see what our whole is. So how many pieces are in the whole shape? Okay, it doesn't matter what color it is or what part is shaded, but we need to find the whole number. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to write a 4 here for my denominator. And now we want to figure out which part is shaded. So the colored part, which I know is 2/4. Okay, if you were to simplify this, another way you could write it is 1/2. Either is correct. All right, for this one, I have a whole, so we need to find our whole first, which is 1, 2, 3. And then the part that is shaded is 2 parts. So my numerator is 2 and my denominator is 3, which gives me the fraction of 2/3. All right, we'll do this one here. I have a whole of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my 6 is my denominator. My whole is always going to be that denominator. And my numerator, the part that is shaded, because we're finding the fraction of the shape that's been colored, is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/6. All right, let's move on to this one here. A little bit bigger number. So with our whole, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my denominator is 8. Let's see if I can write that better. My denominator is 8. And my, oops, let me try one more time. My denominator is 8. There we go. And my numerator is 4, which gives me the fraction of 4/8, but it also can be written as 1/2. All right, I'm going to give the rest for you guys to do. If you have any questions, you can call me. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, so now these ones are called party fractions. So this is the shape or the on the page that we're on, and it's called party fractions, and it wants us to color the shape. So this time we're going to, instead of writing the fraction, we're going to color the fraction. So it says color 3/4 of the square blue. So I'm going to grab my blue color, and I know that my whole is 4, and I want 3/4 of it to be blue. So there's my 3 out of my 4. This is hard to color on. All right, the next one says color 1/2 of the rectangle purple. So I'm going to grab my purple color. I know that my denominator, my whole is 2, and they want us to color 1 out of the 2 purple. Okay, and the next one says color 2/3 of the circle orange. So again, look at the circle. I see that there's 3 as my wholes, my denominator, and they want 2 out of the 3 orange. All right, so go ahead and finish those couple of pages. Feel free to move on if you would like. I can also go ahead and help you if you need any help on the phone. This one right here is just using the picture to answer the question. So this is your whole, this whole group. So I guess I'll help you guys with this one actually because it's a little bit different. use the picture to answer the question. So right here is my whole. So even though it's not in like a box like before, this is my whole. So my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is my whole. So now it's saying what fraction of the buttons are blue. So out of my 12, which I know my 12 is going to be my denominator, I have to look and how many are blue. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's how you do this page. I really want you guys to try this on your own because I want you to review, so do what you can. If you want to move on, like I said earlier, go for it. If you need help, call me, okay? You know how much I love teaching you guys fractions. All right, have fun.